Very good morning. Can I get your resume? Yes, Janaki. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. This is Janaki. I am from Mongol. I have completed my graduation from Acharya Nagarjuna University in the stream of computer applications. My strengths are I am very good at communication skills and Tally and .NET technologies. And I have a goal to become a software engineer. My long-time goal is to achieve high position in that stream. And coming to my family, I have one single parent, that's my mom. She is very hard worker and self-motivated person. I gathered that from her. And I have one elder sister. She get married. That's all.
So, as you said, you are learning .NET. So your interest is into .NET software. So, what you want to develop? Like, what are the different types of applications we can develop by using .NET?
By using .NET, we can develop web applications, mobile applications, service-based applications, Windows applications.
What is a web application? Why we need to go for web applications?
Web application are server-based applications. We need to develop server to connect server. We need to develop web applications.
Is it a single user application or multi-user application?
It is a multi-user application.
Okay. Does internet connectivity should be there or without internet connectivity?
With internet connectivity.
So, what is a web server?
Web server is a collection of websites. We have to develop.
What is the difference? What are the difference between a static website and a dynamic website?
Single user without user interaction, we will develop static web pages. With the user interface, with user interface, we develop dynamic web pages.
Okay. So if I want to establish, if I want to create a website, what are the things we need? Like if I want to create a web page, so what are the controls we have? HTML controls.
HTML controls and CSS, JavaScript.
Okay. So those are what? Those are client-side applications.
Client-side applications.
So if I want to develop server-side controls, what are the different server-side controls we have?
Server-side controls.
Daily we will develop labels, text boxes.
Labels, text boxes, and
buttons. So
buttons,
what are the properties?
ID.
What is the property of? What are the properties of label? Or
ID and text.
what is the property of common property for all server controls?
Run at server. Run is equal to server.
What are the validation controls?
Validation controls are commands, command controls, require field validator, except command controls.
So we have regular expression validator.
Regular expression.
Required field validator.
Require field validator.
Compare validator. So when we will go for required field validator?
Require field when we give button to implement to take only one, not take all of them, we will go for required field validator.
Okay. What is IAS?
Internet Information Services. It is the idea of ASP.NET.
So if I want to develop console applications, like I will be using like for a single based application, right? Like what are the data types we have for that? What are the different data types available?
Value type, integral types. Value types are signed and unsigned. Signed values will take only positive and negative values. Unsigned values will take only positive values.
Okay. Now, what is the different data types under integral data type?
Into float to character. Into float double.
Under integer I am asking.
Under integer, short int, long int, and int.
So what is the difference between them?
Short int will take only 2 bytes, int will take 4 bytes, and long int will take 8 bytes. 8 bytes of text.
When we will go for floating point values?
Floating point values, when we give decimal points like point wise values, then we will go for floating points.
What is a string data type when we will use it?
String data type is a collection of characters. If you want to give collection of characters, like, then we will go for string character.
What is reference type?
Reference type is it have interface and class objects. String.
Now, what are the operators we have?
Operators are used to perform between two operands. The main operators are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, and bitwise operators, and the increment and decrement operators.
What are arrays? Why we need to go for an array?
Array is a collection of elements which will have similar data type. Arrays are defined in three types: single dimensional array, one dimensional array, one dimensional array, two dimensional array, and jagged arrays. One dimensional array is used to store collection of elements in a single row. Two dimensional array is used to store similar data in rows and columns. And jagged arrays is a array of a one dimensional array. It will store multi arrays, rows.
Okay. Now, what is the class?
Class is a blueprint of an object. It has member functions and data members. Data members are static and behavior, state and behavior, and member functions are methods and functions.
What is the function?
Function is a method. When we will go for give functionality to any program, we will go for methods. Function.
What are the different types of methods we have?
Static method, static and non-static methods.
What is the difference between static and non-static method?
Static method will take static keyword. By using static keyword, we will go for static methods. Non-static method is without static.
Okay. So, thank you.
Thank you.